welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Guys, this is the Chevy Silverado. This particular model is the 2006 crew cab. And this can fit between 2003 to 2007 for the crew cab, the extra cab, or the single row or single cab. So guys, we are doing today gray. This is like the factory kit with great stitching, and I know it looks like crap, so but wait guys until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this kit from LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology is gonna look. And remember that we carry this for different makes, years, models, virtually for any vehicle guys. Different colors, more than 60 combinations, exotic materials, any kind of quilting, diamonds, double hex, you name it, perforations pattern. You can get heaters, or you can add cooling and heater for those cold winters. You can get warm, or those hot summers you can get refreshing cold seats. And let's take a look at the toy. These are all vehicles guys, they have seen better days, as you can see. And again, that's cloth. It needs leather for sure. The cushions are collapsed already, so for this particular vehicle we're gonna be changing the foam pads, because you can see right here, this is what happened in this vehicle. So eventually, because people are getting in and out, the whole cushion gets chewed up, loses memory, and now it's no longer good. It has loose density and it's unstable, so people got back pains because of that. Many issues. It's not dirty, it's not stinky. Well, it has some, you know, stains, which are common for leather, for cloth. That won't happen to leather. Double map pockets. That one we're gonna do the same thing. It comes in the kit. We have the rear. So when you got your kit guys, you're gonna get it exactly as the factory did it. Carpet for the back and carpet in the rear, the same way that the factory build them. So again, it's all stained. That's why you guys don't want cloth. Jesus Christ, get leather guys. Don't do this to yourselves or to your vehicles. So we're gonna get hands on. And guys, if you like me to shoot a particular vehicle, or if you have a particular questions about your car or pricing, anything, make an inquiry. Put it in the comments, reach to me, so I can give you a beautiful leather interior for your vehicle. And again, this is by LeatherTeck, by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, different colors combinations, I already mentioned that. So look forward for the video of the completion in this vehicle, so you can see how beautiful this crappy look kit is gonna look once it gets installed. And guys, this is what you're getting when you order your kit. Just like the factory, you're gonna have leather in the inserts in the back, and you're gonna have full faces in the front. It comes with the headrest, it comes with the armrest, reinforcements for the airbags, map pockets if you have them. This is the front guys. In the rear, you're gonna have carpet in the bottom if your car has it. Your kit comes with carpet in the bottom, carpet in the back. You have an armrest, it comes with it. And guys, don't forget heating and cooling, or heaters only. Those are upgrades, you can get them. So this is more or less what is included in this kit, and most other kits are the same, just like factory guys. Different colors combinations, you name it, we carry all. And there you have it guys, it is completed. Unfortunately it's dark already, so winter time we have that issue constantly. But I don't want to lose the opportunity to show you the final step after the installation, so you can see how beautiful the seats ended up. Beautiful finish guys. So sad that I cannot show you in the vehicle, but at least you have an idea what I'm be telling you all this time, you know. Seat that you see in the beginning all wrinkles, now when they are installed, see how beautiful now they look. And guys, don't forget, visit LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology. We have this in different colors, combinations, you name it, for virtually any vehicle. Color stitch, piping, quilting, diamonds, perforation, cooling and heating. We have it, guys. Thank you, guys, and I see you in the next project.